Welcome to Accounting Software Applications. My name is Rebecca Pesko and I'm your instructor this year. We are going to be learning about accounting software, and this class is based on QuickBooks. QuickBooks is used in about 90% of small businesses, so if you learn this program you'll be comfortable moving forward to just about any other program. You should have a little bit of accounting background in this course already. It was one of the prerequisites, so hopefully this will be a very usable class to you and help you have some marketable skills for finding a job. I'll let you look over the course description and course outcomes, but take some time to listen to this video all the way through so you're off to the right foot. A lot of this course is we'll be completing things in QuickBooks and then uploading it into Excel, and sometimes that can be confusing, so I just wanted to show you briefly how that's set up. Please take some time to read the syllabus closely. Please print the schedule, so post it near your bed or on your fridge or someplace so you don't miss deadlines. This class is a little unforgiving for deadlines. There aren't a lot of quizzes or tests, I should say, in this class, so you really cannot miss a test. I'll open this up so you can see how it's set up if you haven't looked at it already. You'll see we have Module 1, 2, and 3. When those modules are complete, you have Test 1, which covered Modules 1, 2, and 3. There are only 4 tests, and there are no makeups for these tests. So if you miss one of these tests, your grade will be deeply hurt. So please keep track of deadlines very carefully. Deadlines are almost always on Wednesdays, with the exception of November 24th and December 14th, and that's only to work around some holidays and end of semester. So please print that, put it in a prominent place. The grading plan is always one of the first things students want to know. So you have assignments. There are 12 assignments, and they are worth half of your grade. Those 4 tests are worth half of your grade. Combine them together, and then we work off of a 10-point grading scale, as seen here. I don't round. Let's see what else. So let me just show you briefly here. Announcements. I try very hard to post announcements at least once a week, so please check this. Coffee House Help Forum is for you to discuss things among yourself, answer questions, ask questions. Maybe you have some interesting things like a job posting or something you want to put. That would be an appropriate place to put that. Frequently asked questions about homework. Make sure you read that. This pertains specifically to this course. If you go in, the last thing I want to show you to keep this video brief, here's a picture of your book. Make sure you have the 2015 edition. It is different than the 2014 edition. This book comes out every year. But if you look here, after you've followed all of your instructions and started your homework, you will open this file. This is the file that you will use to submit your homework, and it is an Excel file. So it looks like this. At the beginning, you have instructions, and it really tells you exactly what you're supposed to do. This is also stated in your book, very, very specific. Usually when students have questions, it's because they're skipping over a step or they're not reading a step closely. It is very clearly laid out, but sometimes as we read, we skip steps or skip a part of a step. So if you're having trouble, really go back to the instructions. I know it sounds basic, but I've made mistakes myself that way in this class. So it guides you through the steps, as you can see. Then when you're done with all of your steps and you've worked through all of the work that you're supposed to work through, you will realize that you have to do trial balance, task 2, task 3, and this is as you're working through the book. After you've completed those at the end, it'll ask you to export them into an Excel file, so you will, and then you'll put it in here. In Chapter 1, TB is trial balance. This is for your answer in Exercise 1-1-2, and so on. BS is balance sheet, profit loss, all of these different things. So what you'll do is you'll import all of your answers into these different sheets. You will save this sheet using the proper format with your last name, first name, and then you will upload your Excel workbook into your homework submission page right here. So I will be grading your Excel. I don't want QuickBooks files. This will not be something I can grade. You have to email an Excel file. If you have questions or difficulties, please ask. Don't just kind of drift away. Just ask how to submit things. You also have your PowerPoints here, little videos that are optional, and helpful resources for technology and other websites. Please come see me. I am on a campus, so if you're lost or unsure, I'm in room 437. So come pop in, introduce yourself. I look forward to meeting you and having a fantastic semester. Thank you so much.